During his recent 30-minute speech, the CEO of Microsoft revealed a range of highly significant AI advancements poised to disrupt the industry. This was a surprising move, particularly given the various rollouts by Google and other companies. Microsoft has now responded to Google's I/O presentation by claiming that several connections with ChatGPT and with Microsoft's core services, including Copilot, are currently in the works and will completely disrupt the game. In this video, we'll go through every significant development, showing how it would affect the whole sector and why it was such a crucial statement. Google recently unveiled Bard, an AI chatbot competing with OpenAI's ChatGPT and Microsoft's chatbot in their Bing search engine. According to Google, Bard was a pioneering AI project designed to boost output, spur innovation, and promote curiosity. Bard can be used to receive advice, clarification, or inspiration for things like planning blog content. Google intends to preserve its leadership in the search engine industry while strengthening its position in the AI chatbot business with Bard. A lightweight and optimized version of Lambda called the Research Large Language Model, LLM, powers Bard, which will eventually be upgraded with more sophisticated models. As more individuals use LLMs, they improve at anticipating beneficial results. Bard is meant to be used with Google Search and allows users to examine sources from other websites or review its replies. Bard is a standalone web page containing a single question box. It is not a part of Google's search engine. By making this tactical choice, it will be possible to implement new AI technologies while keeping its search engine business profitable. Google knows that LLMs occasionally generate biased, inaccurate, or misleading information. Google allows you to pick from a few different drafts of Bard's reply to help alleviate these problems. By posing more queries or proposing other solutions, you may keep working with Bard. Google's work on Bard is regulated by its AI principles, emphasizing quality and security. To improve its systems, the organization leverages human evaluation and feedback. To keep conversations productive and on topic, there are measures such as limiting the number of exchanges allowed per conversation. Since OpenAI introduced ChatGPT in November 2022, the internet has been enthusiastic about AI technology. Tech giants Google and Microsoft have been competing to create chatbots that are just as impressive as ChatGPT. Both companies have unveiled their chatbots, Google Bard and Microsoft Bing AI. But how do these two compare to the original ChatGPT? Which of the three is the best AI chatbot? Unlike search engines, AI chatbots provide a precise answer to your query. So when you throw a question at a chatbot like ChatGPT, you only get the response that ChatGPT believes is the best answer to your question. Because there are no alternative sources for comparison, AI chatbots need to be as accurate as possible in the information they provide. Google has long been renowned for its rapid reaction times. Whatever you look for, the search engine quickly returns results. Thankfully, Google Bard AI continues in its footsteps. Before you start your search, Bard needs over 3 seconds to produce a complete response. This includes sophisticated products like essays, poetry, jokes, and more. Bard AI's lightning-quick response speed was terrific when needing an answer right away. In contrast, Microsoft Bing AI moves more slowly. You practically feel the bot preparing a response as it navigates the basic rules. Like with Bard, the replies are typically written slowly rather than simultaneously. Due to this, Bard's search engine outperforms Microsoft's search engine in terms of speed. Bing conducts its due diligence, but it obviously needs to be done more quickly. For those who value speed in using an AI bot, Google Bard is unequivocally the best option available. Although Google's Lambda model claims to be able to generate original material and participate in discussions, it needs help. The above comparison refers to our most recent interaction with Bard. When questioned about Luffy and Haki from the One Piece anime, Google Bard copied a few sentences verbatim from Bbomb's page. Oddly, it didn't even cite any references. Unfortunately, this has occurred to a lot of others than just us. Avram Pilch, editor-in-chief of Tom's Hardware, demonstrated how Bard had used a story from their website for its production in a recent tweet. Even though Bard corrected itself after being prompted, material theft like this points to a systemic problem. When queried about several themes, Microsoft Bing, on the other hand, did not duplicate any content. None of the texts on our list of top AI plagiarism detectors had an exact match. Additionally, Bing Chat declined your request to write you an essay in creative mode, claiming that it would be immoral and a violation of plagiarism. This is a fantastic and much welcomed addition to Bing Chat. Unfortunately, we have found that this is not true with Google Bard. We hope Google recognizes this error and institutes the necessary safeguards, given that it has occurred more than once to prevent harm to publications and independent producers. The competition between Bing Chat and Google Bard to be the top intelligent search engine is difficult to predict. Both have their own advantages and disadvantages. Bing Chat is free and can provide fast and precise answers, while Google Bard has access to Alphabet's vast resources and aims to improve their search engine. Only time will reveal which AI will come out on top. It is critical to follow how these two transform into valuable assets for their respective businesses. Although ChatGPT is a member of the OpenAI initiative, Microsoft most definitely paid for it. It's unlikely that the software behemoth would attempt to monetize the app as a pay-per-use utility directly. The second-placed Bing search engine, which has lagged behind Google Search for years, will likely adopt ChatGPT to increase its popularity. On the cloud front, Google has already been behind the curve. Although most of Alphabet's services were cloud-based when Microsoft sold separate Windows operating systems and various productivity applications, the company could not overtake Microsoft as the market leader in public cloud services. Amazon's AWS, which continues to dominate the market for public cloud infrastructure, received the honor. The AI that gains the highest market share will be the victor in this race. The issue now is how much of the pie Bing can grab on the strength of ChatGPT when Google already owns the most significant piece. Due to its dominance, Google theoretically stands to lose far more. What if Google Search were to fall to second place? That is now definitely a possibility, though. 3 weeks ago, OpenAI, a company focused on research and development in artificial intelligence, launched ChatGPT for iOS. Although the chatbot has some issues, its capabilities have raised concerns at Google about potential threats to its business. In response, Google has intensified its efforts in AI development after issuing a code red alert. The company has even approached its founders, Sergey Brin and Larry Page, to create an AI chatbot that can rival ChatGPT, as they are worried about falling behind in the $150 billion search engine industry. Google is set to unveil 20 new AI-powered products shortly. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, has allocated resources from the company's Research, Trust and Safety division to assist in creating AI product prototypes, including analytics and content generation. The success of AI chat depends on the user interface. ChatGPT started the trend with a simple interface with the findings slowly transcribed into the screen. Bing offered what seemed like a groundbreaking experience for AI chat users, marking a significant departure in UI from ChatGPT. The interface was exciting and enjoyable, even though the text was still transcribed on screen. After a few months following ChatGPT's original debut, Bard is once more using a very straightforward and uncluttered user interface that closely resembles that of other Google products. Bard is faster than Bing in generating results by avoiding the appearance of typing, although Bing has a user-friendly interface with green tick indicators for completed actions. AI and IT professionals are optimistic about Google's Bard, as they believe it will pose a significant challenge to its competitors. Right now, it's evident that there isn't a clear winner, but things might change very rapidly. Similar to how we utilized UPDF to demonstrate ChatGPT's genius, Google Bard may one day wow us with an appropriate, timely, and helpful response to every query. Then, is it a surprise that this is a race worth watching? The winner will essentially be developing a new search paradigm that produces more than just a collection of links for you to conduct your research, but a genuine research assistant that is dependable, quick, and highly valued. How much money are you ready to spend on such a helper? Let us know about your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more AI news.